Hey guys, how it's going? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I built an arch. I'm going to show you how I did it. Here is the arch that I've built. I show you how I get the bird beak cut. I show you how I build it from start to finish. But before we jump into the video, guys, if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. Let's jump right into the video. What I did, I put this stone here, and then I mark along on the wall. So this way you have your mark on the wall where you need the bird beak. Cut this one, and then all you gotta do is you gotta measure from here, from this point to the stone. You have to measure from here to the stone, which is 4 inches, and then you put 4 inches here on your stone, and then measure from the point up, from the stone up 4.5. You put 4.5 like so. This way you know right here is where you're gonna come with the mark like this. And remember, this mark is already there, so this is the cut. So it's gonna turn out just like so. And then we're gonna have this one. So that's it. So you see we have our mark at the back. That's where we take our mark. So we just gotta take 4 inch, measure from here to this point, leave out your 10mm joint, and measure from down here up to this mark to get the cut. And then this is the cut that you have there. This fit just like so. So this is basically how I get this bird beak cut. Here now we're gonna mark out our stone to see exactly how big we need to work our joint. So all we gotta do is just put one like that, mark the joint. Put one down, mark our joint. While you're going around, you have to let the stone sit right on top of your arch. This is how you get the arch to form. So you have to be sitting flat down. That way you know if it's tilted that way, that means it's telling you you're gonna have a crooked arch. It has to be sit 100% all the time. So now we know what we're working for. So once you chase all your mark on top of the arch, now we're going to start our arch. Guys, we're gonna put up brick ties. We're gonna put up brick ties now. While you're going along, y'all, you put a 1 and 2 brick ties.
going to use measurement to do this cut. This would be 1 3/4. 1 3/4. So we gotta measure. This stone is 1 feet 2 inches. So we know our stone is 1 2, so it's gonna come right here. So what we wanna do, we wanna put our level, just in case we can't put our stone up there. This is how you do it by measurement. So here, this would be 2 inches. So 2 inches is where we're gonna take measurement from. Here. You see, guys? So I measure 2 inches from here and 2 inches from here, and then I score it across. So guys, tip. You see I have my mark in the center. When you do both sides of your arch, you have to have both, the measurement have to be same on both sides. That way you know you have a perfect joint come all the way across. So now we only have one more left to go. And then, so that's how it's coming along. Feel like I am in a daydream. Every moment that I spend with you. So that's the last one. Here is the last one that I just put in. You see, once you get your measurement right across, it's run right in. So now we gotta finish our top section.
if you're enjoying the video, please subscribe for more upcoming video like this one, and leave a comment down in the bottom there. I like hear from you guys. And